Sanded. Hey guys, Lou here from LT's Custom Woodworks. Welcome to the shop. Today, another day, another dollar. Today, we're getting started on a beer ping pong board game, I guess you can say. Basically what it is, it's this on a stand, which sits like this. You drop your cup in. And then you throw your ping pong balls into the cup, however that game works. I got 2 orders of those, so I'm gonna, for the first order, I'm gonna start off by making 4 of these. 2 of them are gonna have the holes in them. The bottom plates, there's none. I'm gonna take some plywood over to the table saw. I'm gonna start cutting my pieces and go from there. I got the plywood cut, 3/4 inch plywood. I got my template made. I'm just gonna line these up. Now I will cut this a little bit bigger, that way I'll cut to the line afterwards. I'm just going to trace this out. All the way around. Now I got to make 2 sets of these, but you're only drilling holes on 2 of them for each set. I'll cut another one like this. I'll cut all 3 like that. Then I'll take it over to the sander and I'll just sand right to that line all the way around. I sanded the one board down to the line. Now I'm going to take this one here. It's cut on the outside of the line. I'm going to put some 2-way tape. Just in a couple spots. We're going to line this board up to there you go. Got a flush trim bit with a bearing on it. That bearing's going to sit right on this top board that's been sanded, and the cutter is going to cut the bottom to the same as the top. pry this apart. Now for this center one here, I can't get it center with this, so what I'm just going to do is just drill a hole out with the drill. Take this off, put it on my drill, and just drill it out by hand. And there we are. I have a round over bit in place. I'm going to soften up these edges all the way around, and also on the inside of these holes on both sides, and that will really clean things up. And that really cleans everything up. I will do a sand on the sides and the top, but that really cleans it all up nicely. I will do the same thing to this. So there's 3 legs per stand. I'm just going to run this through the router, round off the edges to smooth them up a little bit. These are cut, the stand's going to be 33 inches high. I cut these 31.5 inches long and 2.5 inches wide. I drilled pocket holes into these boards here, 2 per side. I'm going to center it on the first board. and screw it down in the middle. You throw the ball into the cup. If you get it in, the person has to drink or guzzle a cup of beer. And that's how that game goes. That pretty much wraps it up for this video. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.